Mike from Warrenton Equipment, showing you how to operate a backhoe on a GC25M. First of all, make sure your bucket is on the ground, and then flip your seat around so you can use your backhoe. First, pull this lever up to unlatch your seat. Lean it forward. Pick up on the seat, spin it around, push forward, and it latches in. Stop, remove your pins. You will have one on each leg. And then you will also have one on the actual bucket. There's also a pin holding your loader arm on. First, lower your stabilizers with the 2 center levers. Push the right lever forward, it extends your upper boom. When you pull it back, it brings it back in. When you pull it to the right, it opens your bucket. When you go to the left, it closes your bucket. Then your left lever, pushing it forward, will lower your lower boom, and pulling it back will raise your lower boom. Pushing the lever to the right will swing the boom to the right. Pushing it to the left will swing the boom to the left. When you're done using it, raise your stabilizer. Replace your pin. Pull this lever. Spin your seat back around. And then make sure the back latches in under that lever. And then ride off into the sunset. If you like these videos, check out our YouTube channel where we post longer, more in-depth videos. Also, you can check out our other reels that we have posted, and make sure you're following us. When we hit 1,000 followers, we're going to be giving away a hat.